This is inventory home 5825. It's an Astoria 2, 1,860 square feet, 3 bedrooms, 2 baths. It's available now in Clay Center, Kansas. We're going to do a little tour for you here, starting off in the living room. You'll see plenty of light coming in here, and as we go to the kitchen, you'll see oak cabinets. There are premium cabinets with Manhattan doors and the Salem maple stain. Green glass on your pantry here, a nice big corner pantry with wood shelves inside. Those go up 5 foot. In this home, you'll notice that you'll get to choose the countertops, tile, kitchen sink, kitchen faucet. None of those have been included yet because you get to pick those out. So you can decide from whatever you want. You can have them done on site, or you can certainly pick them out from us. This is a nice Pella 9-foot patio door. Here we have a Craftsman half wall that will go downstairs, and we're taking a walk into the master bedroom. We just passed by a closet that has 4 shelves in it. There's 3 windows there with the mountain trim. Great place to put your bed. You'll also notice some built-in shelves in your master bedroom. As we turn around, we'll take one quick glance at the nice bedroom windows again and go back into the master bathroom. This one is different than our other Astorias. It actually has a tub. You'll see it's very light filled there. Great place to relax. This tub has yet to be done because you get to pick out the tile and the faucets and the onyx sinks right there. You have a nice linen cabinet in this. This vanity is 72 inches and the linen is 15. That'll be nice to enjoy, and you get a great size walk-in closet. There's also a private section for your bathroom, so your toilet's actually inside a closet, and you'll have a standard shower also in this. You can see some built-in shelves in there. This is the section in which your toilet would go into, so you can close it off, and that's a pocket door right there, so you can slide or keep it open. We have satin nickel fixtures on your doors, and your light fixtures will be brushed nickel. You can see those are 2-panel oak doors throughout the house, really nice. One last swing through the kitchen. You'll see that there's room for 3 pendant lights up above. It's already been wired for those. Here off to the left, you're going to have a linen closet, followed by bedroom number 2, and then the second bathroom is coming up. As we go into here, we'll see a tub and a 39-inch vanity with a linen also. It's about a 15-inch linen and a standard tub shower. There's your laundry. You can't see it, but on the other side you'll have some cubbies and some shelves. This is a peek inside of bedroom number 3, which can also be your office. You'll see the closet with bypass doors there, and then some shelves in the corner as you enter. If you're interested in this home, call 188-Wardcraft or 188-927-3272 to get pricing. This is inside that small linen right next to the kitchen. This is a look inside of bedroom number 2. And that finishes our tour. This one does have built-in shelves, which could be a built-in desk there with bypass doors also. Again, 188-927-3272, Wardcraft Homes.